Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's your Toronto Raptors fans, your Kadiri family. How you all doing? Baba, Baba, what do you have over there? What do you have on the floor with you? You have all those your toys? And your tambourine? See, Ibrahim's Canada's Wonderland flower, his board, his car, and him, of course, which is in his Thomas the Train Runners, and his brand new black jeans with his red sweater that says, A is for awesome, dude. Hey, boo-boo. Say today's date is January the 2nd, 2020. No more 2019, boo-boos. Hey, mama. Ibrahim. Ibrahim. Mama. Mommy. No, not in your mouth. No, mommy, not in the mouth. No, mama. 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 Did you go see fireworks yesterday? Did you? Did you? Would you? Could you? Okay, mama's going to show you, okay? She's going to put it on her phone and then record it with the tablet. Here, look. Mama's going to put it on. Oh. Uh-oh. Mama's going to try this again.
Stacy, his driver's here, and he has 9 minutes.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, boo-boo, the driver's coming shortly. Hey, boo-boo. Ibrahim. Did you go see fireworks yesterday? Baba. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Did you go see the fireworks yesterday? Say yesterday was New Year's in Wednesday, January 1st, 2020, Baba. Did you go see the fireworks? Did you? Mama. Ibrahim, don't find the flower. Mama. Ibrahim. So as I said, this is your Toronto Raptors fans, your Kadiri family. How you all doing? Say today's date is January the 2nd, 2020. The Raptors won the last game on December 31st, 2019, boo-boos. And Ibrahim, he ate a good lunch today. So he's here with Mama and he's playing. As you can see even. Hey, boo-boos. Ibrahim's in his brand new sweater and his black jeans. Oh, I did the trick. Ooh, Baba. You gonna come see the fireworks?
Happy New Year!
Look, Baba. They're about to show you the fireworks. Come. Come to Mommy, Ibrahim.
This is ours!
No, look, only.
Baby, show them now!
Mama, you go soon go back with the driver. Look. Don't touch, look, just look. Just look. Just look. See the fireworks where Mama went to see with Daddy at Nathan Phillips Square? Do you see? Say Happy New Year 2020. Hey, boo-boo. See? Mama showing them. Uh-oh. What do we do? No, Mama. I don't want it to delete. Mama. Is it New Year? Is it New Year? Are you soon going to go back with the driver? Are you? You want to go down on the floor? let's go get your car. Should we sing to you? Mama's getting tired. Look. Here, car. Who's that? Is that your favorite car? Who is this, Mama? Is this your favorite car? Okay. Baba, uh-oh, your remote went under there. He went under there. Hey, boo-boos. Mom, Ibrahim. So, yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, well, then what are you waiting for? Come and join us as we just celebrated New Year's Day yesterday with watching the fireworks in downtown Toronto in Nathan Phillips Square. Hey, boo-boos. Say today's date is January the 2nd, 2020. And as I said, we just finished celebrating New Year's party. And I'm here with Ibrahim today as it's the 2nd of January of the new year, Baba. Ibrahim. Ibrahim. Ibrahim.
I'm ready to go, go, go.
Ibrahim. Wait. I got your car under there. I've got your car from under there. No. Ibrahim. Oh, you don't stand, but you sat down. Huh? The tablet's not there again. I moved it. Mama's recording you. Careful. You're going to get your head bonked that way. This way. This way. See? Yeah? Now you got it. Now you've got it. Now you've got it, Bubbles. Hold on though, okay? Because this shelf can move. And it can fall. With you. Mama's watching you closely. Huh? She's supervising you. Hey, boo-boos. Ibrahim. What'd you find on here? The books. Did you find the book on the shelf, Mama? Oh, yeah, Mama. Come. You want to read this one? Scratch and Sniff Garden, boo-boos. Uh-oh, your car. Scratch and Sniff Garden. Baba, what can you smell in the garden? Scratch this yellow rose. Is the rose sweetly scented? Baba, you gonna go stand again? You wanna go stand again? Oh yeah, go for it. I see you. You're gonna go get all the books down from there, huh? You like the books? Be careful, hold on. Be careful, hold on, because that car's in your way. Right now, go for it. See? Mama's got you so that you don't fall. Okay. Thanks, Arba. Boo, boo, boo. Ibrahim, are you going to tell everybody Happy New Year's and bye? Huh? Say, did you have an extra long visit with Mommy today until 2 o'clock p.m.? Boo-boos? Mama? See, Mommy, me and Ibrahim are even matching. I'm wearing my black and my red. And Ibrahim, as I said, he's in his new clothes. Right, boo-boos? Say, Baba, what did you eat for lunch today? Say, I had some shepherd's pie, which is mashed potato, ground beef, and corn. And I also had some chickpeas and tomato with cheese. Hey, boo-boos? Is that what you had for lunch? And then you drank some apple juice and some water. Hey, Mama? Come, let's go. Let's go down to the floor. We're going to get your jacket on, okay? Because soon you're going back with the driver. Hey, boo-boos? Hey, boo-boo. Let's tell them bye. Hey, Mama? Let's tell everybody bye. Should we? Mama? Ibrahim. Say Happy New Year, everybody. We hope you had a good Christmas and holidays. Say we'll see you next time, Mamas. Ibrahim, that's been saying Mama and giggling so much. You're not giggling again, Mama. You know they giggle again, boo-boos. Baba, you can't stand the whole book, or I don't think it will be possible. Use 2 hands and stand. There you go. There you go. You don't they show them those your strong skills. Oh yeah, boo-boo, which book do you have now? Say, we'll soon get ready to tell them bye-bye. Which book do you have right now? Mama? Which book do you have right now, Baba? See, we're even in a bigger room, in the 203 room today. So, yeah, we're getting ready to tell them bye-bye. Huh, Mama? Say we'll see you next time. Peace out, boo-boos.